At REDUx, we understand the complexities and risks involved in offshoring manufacturing operations. With over 20 years of experience and pre-vetted contract manufacturing relationships across Asia, Eastern Europe, and Mexico, we match our clients' needs based on variables like volume, price, certifications, and vertical specialties. Our design for manufacturability, expertise, and material science knowledge ensure that we deliver high-quality, cost-effective solutions. Our goal is to take all the risk, unknowns, and effort out of the strategic offshoring process for SME tech and hard goods manufacturers. We offer trusted relationships, language and culture skills, project management resources, quality audit background, and engineering and logistics capabilities to provide an end-to-end solution with no upfront costs.